Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's episode. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ibeth and I typically do affordable home decor videos, makeovers every now and then. I try to stick on the affordable side just because we cannot all afford a shopping spree. So if this might sound like something that interests you, maybe you will consider subscribing. And of course, if you enjoy this video, as always, give me a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get into today's episode. So today I thought that I would do a winter decorate with me or decorate with me for winter, just because as Christmas is over, I feel like my house needs a little bit of a spruce or just a little bit more of interest, because I don't know if you're anything like me, but once you take down decor or seasonal decor, you feel like empty, like something is needed. So which is why I wanted to decorate today. I don't know exactly what I'm doing or what I plan, honestly. We're just gonna go with the flow and hopefully I can make my home feel good again, because it's feeling a little weird right now. This bookshelf was the one that used to be in my kitchen before we bought the pantry. Since it's an open bookshelf, obviously, I used it to put all my fancy or nicer plateware and things like that, just because I had no way of putting my plates anywhere. So I decided to use like the prettier stuff and style them in here. It still did not look the best, but I mean, I just kept it in there because it was what I could do. I decided to move it here because I literally have no other place to put it in this house. Anyways, I brought it here and I kept it with some things here, like prettier items that I could display. I do want to redo this though, because this is not pretty at all and I want to keep it pretty.
Life is a one.
Oh, smells so good.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
I love this table, but I'm getting the itch. The itch is when I feel like I need something new. And what I typically do is I will put whatever it is that I want to get rid of or that I want to replace with something else. I'll put it on Facebook Marketplace and I will sell it there, or try to sell it. 99.9% of the times that I post something, I do sell it and I make most of my money back, because I do try to take care of my things. Then I can use that money to replace it with a new item. And I always check also Facebook Marketplace, because a lot of people have sold things that they just changed their mind about and probably take care of their things as good as I do, and for some reason they just couldn't return it, you know, something. There's always something. The first place that I do check when I want something is Facebook. If you're always like on the hunt for something that you can't afford, that you've probably seen at Target, check there first. You'd be surprised on how many things you actually find for like half of the price. I'm actually debating on keeping this table. I love it. I just wish it was a little taller. I'm into like the taller tables right now. Like a longer, I wanted something longer and a little higher, just because I feel like it's really low also compared to the sofa. The sofa is just, you know, a bigger problem that I need to deal with, but I can't, not right now. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I keep it? I really felt like this corner needed something, and I really wanted to bring the lamp over here and just kind of see how it looked. I love this cabinet so much, and actually I've been working on making it like into a bar area, and I do have some glassware already in there in one bottle. This corner was feeling a little empty ever since the tree, you know, ever since I removed the tree. It needed just a little something, and I really like how this lamp looks right here. I love this lamp so much, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. Of course, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. It really helps YouTube get my video out there. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know down in the comments below what kind of videos you guys would like to see more of. I have a list, but I actually want to know what you guys want to watch or what you enjoy watching mostly. And of course, the giveaway winner will be announced next week. I wanted to give people time to go ahead and watch my video just because I know that not everyone, you know, gets a chance because, you know, life is busy and I understand that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.